Hey guys, I got one last piece. This is actually, I think of it as the July drop, but this was actually on sale. It's part of the July 4th sale. So that's when I got it. And so I had my eye on a piece, this particular collection, and I had a piece in my basket. I had the Ashton in my basket, but I waited too long, and so I kept being indecisive about it because I have something similar, very, very similar, and so it ended up getting sold out. It was on clearance for a long time. But anyway, I didn't realize this was a retail piece. Huh. Okay, so there we go. I love the way they package theirs. Super cute. Alright, so that is what I picked up. Let's take a look at it. I don't know, it feels bigger. Okay. I like it because I would definitely use this as a bag, not as a carrier, not as how I usually use my Nolitas. I use them as a catch-all. But this one I would use as a bag. And I didn't realize it had a tassel. So, because Coach didn't really do tassels. But this is cute. It's a little lighter than I thought it was. But it's cute. So, let's see. So, yeah, this is definitely something I would wear as a bag. And I don't do small purses a lot. But this would be cute. I love the color gold that they use. It's really cute. Shiny and vibrant. I think that this color is a lot more muted than I thought it was going to be. And it looks, I don't know, kind of greenish to me. But, I mean, I still like it. I'm still going to keep it. And I got it for a pretty good price. I think it was under $100. So, really, really nice. So that's the code for that. I think it's still available. Really cute. Okay, guys, so I brought these shoes to go with my other Coach calf hair bag, and it really looks good with that one. But I was wondering if this could pass for it too. I don't think so. Like, I don't think I would wear those on the same outfit. But I just thought that I would share that with you guys. And but this looks really good with the calf hair bag from last year. But anyway, that is all I had to share today, guys, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.